Okay, now I'm going to show you that botnet Android application. So here you can see I will start. So first we should give that IP address, click go, then sign up you can go, then ABCs, ABC, ABC, then ABC you can give, then city Bangalore, then phone number anything you can give, then register. Then you can, it was registered successfully, then you can able to sign in like ABC login. So here you can see some menu options. It's there like upload. Suppose first I'm going to upload that A1, upload some picture. You can upload small images, so it will upload quickly. Maybe file uploaded successfully. If you want you can able to download also. You can see that A1, that download. So here you can see view image, you can see it was downloaded. So same thing, now I will upload some other picture at same time only, means I am going to trying to hack, means or I am trying to hit our server simultaneously. So A to upload gallery. So file uploaded successfully. Again I can go for upload. So here I am going to suppose A3 upload gallery image. So that also uploaded successfully. Again you can go for upload. Upload suppose A5 upload gallery. So you can see in this time it was not uploaded. So what it is telling that IoT device, it was founded as a bot. So that is the reason. Now if we are going to log in like ABC, so you can see you can't able to log in. This device is founded as a bot. Okay, so in this thing through image we are going to show how we can able to hit a server simultaneously. So in this thing, if you are going to in a same day, if you are going to upload simultaneously, if you are going to hit that server, your device will get blocked.